Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on the personal hotspot because the iPhone shares its cellular connection. Open Settings, tap Cellular or Mobile Data, then Personal Hotspot and flip it on. This allows other devices to join. Make sure you set a secure Wi-Fi password to prevent unauthorized access. Once enabled, note the network name shown, your iPhone's name, because you'll use that to connect. Also check that your carrier plan supports tethering. Otherwise, the hotspot will not provide a usable internet link. Once done enabling the hotspot, connect a device using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB depending on speed and convenience. For Wi-Fi, open the other device's Wi-Fi list, select your iPhone's network name, and type the password. Wi-Fi is easiest for multiple devices. For USB, plug the iPhone into the computer, tap Trust, and pick the iPhone as the network source. USB gives stable throughput. For Bluetooth, pair devices first. Then enable network sharing. Bluetooth uses less battery, but is slower. Finally, manage the session by watching battery and cellular data because tethering drains both faster. Use a charger and monitor usage in settings. If devices cannot connect, try toggling the hotspot off and on, restart the iPhone, or toggle airplane mode to reset radios. These quick steps clear most hiccups. If problems persist, update iOS and, as a last resort, reset network settings. That clears saved networks and often resolves stubborn tethering conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.